What's up, guys? Victor here with Linkswell. In today's workshop, what we're going to do is we're going to show you how we have everything you need to succeed with selling and installing any one of our given products. So here at Linkswell, we've thought about everything you need to successfully install and sell any one of our given products. We're going to talk about 4 different steps, starting with vehicle lookup. So once you are on our website, all you need to do, look at the top right-hand corner. There's 2 green bars. The one to the right says select your vehicle. Click on that. And then what you're going to do is start with the vehicle make. We're going to look up a 2020 Dodge Ram in this case, 2020. And then as you go down, it's going to start to break down the categories for you. So you're looking for radios because that's what we specialize in. And then we're going to look for the T-style radio. You're going to get 3 different options of the different style radios that we have, depending on what you're looking for. If you don't know what you're looking for, you're more than welcome to take a look at all 3. But everyone's familiar with the T-style XL 15.6. And then you're going to hit search. And this is where you're going to have 2 different options. The reason why in 2020 you're getting 2 different Dodge Ram solutions, it's because the 14 through 18 body style Ram was also produced from 19 to 24, but they called it a classic. So there is a possibility that you're going to have a 14 through 18 Ram in 2020 to 24, in 2019 to 24, but they're going to call it a classic. But we're looking up the 19 to 24 in this case. And so we're going to click on that one. And so here it goes. This is where you're going to look up, all the features, all the functions, the model number. And if you scroll up, you're going to look up the description. Here in the description is where you will also find if you need any special adapters like we talked about earlier. In this case, the Dodge Ram includes everything you need in one kit. There are no additional parts required. So if your particular application requires any additional options, it'll tell you in the description of any given one application that you look for. In this case, we're going to look up a 2020 Jeep Wrangler. We'll see how in the description, once you've selected the T-Style XL, you will see in the description where it tells you all the added parts that you would need. So we're going to select the T-Style XL. Then we're going to click search, and then we're going to click on the actual radio once it comes up. And all you have to do is scroll down on the page towards the bottom. The first one you're going to notice, and this is for all of them, we have the HDMI input function, but it requires an additional adapter. If you click on it, it'll show you a picture of it, and it'll give you more information about the adapter. We're going to go back, and we're going to continue to scroll down at the bottom where it says that you need that particular module for the EV and off-road pages to stay functional. You click on it, it'll give you a picture, and it'll also give you some information about the adapter itself. One of the things that I encourage is don't wait for you're faced with an application or you're doing any one of our installations to try and find out the information. Take the time to educate yourself. In here, you will find an arsenal of installation videos, informational videos. I mean, they are long, you guys, over an hour long of detailed information that will be of a lot great use for you. Besides them being promotional, you can read the titles. A lot of them are installation videos, and they are very long. And like I said, we get into a lot of detail. Make sure that you take advantage of this information. Guys, the most important resource that you want to take advantage of is our support system. Listen, I'm a big believer of price being an issue in the absence of value. And those are some of the things that we talk about here at Linkswell: product quality, service, and support. So we're here. 909-375-0633 is the best way to get a hold of us. There's 3 to 4 techs available at any given time. So again, make sure you take advantage of that resource. Well, there you have it, guys. As you can tell, we've done everything that we can potentially do to be able to make sure that we are a company that's here not just to promote and produce great products, but here to support you and all of your customers. If you have more questions or need more information, make sure to call us or head over to our website, linkswellinc.com.